Hi, Roden kids. It is Pack-A-Day here. Collide Fates. Let's get totally did not mess
did
that up.
everything backwards. You're super weird.
Backwards, I did everything.
If you're gonna talk like Yoda, at least make it accurate.
Okay. Link Spirit Alakazam. Kit Excavation Fossil. We're Madden. I can't say that. Aerodactyl.
Awesome, he's good.
Earth Scorched. Cottony. Burmy. Snubble. Bronzor. Mincino. God, that is what we...
I give that a 5. The Aerodactyl is awesome. I definitely like that guy. And then we
4
have
is
reversed
give what?
Scorched Earth.
That didn't work.
That looks pretty awesome. Alright, let's
It's
move on
Earth
to the
Scorched.
online pack. Come on, come on, come on. Get some EXs in here.
EXs we get Will. Did I mess up?
Very confident.
Fennekin. Burmy. Larvitar. Coughing. Meowth. Garden Fairy. Kangaskhan. I want one of those in Pokemon Go. Reset Energy. Jigglypuff.
Oh yeah.
Fuller EX
I
Umbreon.
forgot he was in this set. He's awesome. Alright, if you don't know what he does, he
EX
does
Umbreon.
20 damage, and you can discard as many cards as you want from your hand and draw that many cards. And then his second attack, end game, 70 damage, and I forgot
Good
what
stuff.
that one is. I think it's one moment. If your opponent's Mega Evolution Pokemon is knocked out by damage from this attack, take 2 more prize cards.
Neat.
So that's 4 prize cards for knocking out a Mega with him. That's pretty good, I must say. Good to have in our dark deck.
Yep. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are trying to get to 150 subscribers by the end of October. So, let's get there.
For sure.
You will see us in the next video.
Bye.
Peace out.